Never before have new vaccines been developed, tested and rolled out to millions in less than a year. So when there's news of a potential problem, like the deaths of frail elderly people in Norway, how do we make sense of it? Clinical trials lasting a few months have been conducted in around 40,000 people for each vaccine. But they only tell you about side effects in those selected for the trial. Rare side effects in the real world usually emerge after a vaccine has been released. That's when it became clear there's a small risk of serious allergy with the Pfizer vaccine. Now there's the death of a US doctor due to hemorrhage from low blood platelets, and these deaths in frail elderly Norwegians. And let me tell you, there'll be more scares as vaccines are rolled out. Regulators have to separate coincidence from true vaccine effects, and then decide what to do. They do that by looking for similar reports from the millions of people already immunized and whether there are emerging patterns. Regulators are already onto the potential for a severe allergy or anaphylaxis from the Pfizer vaccine. And if there is a real risk to frail elderly, then they might be excluded from some vaccines. So far, the problem in the frail elderly doesn't seem to be widespread, so it may be that other countries aren't vaccinating terminally ill people. The story of the doctor's death is troubling, but his condition is so rare that it should be readily noticed and reported if it's happening elsewhere. So far, so good, but this is just the kind of side effect that does worry authorities, because unlike allergy and the frail elderly, they may be impossible to avoid. For you and me, watching from the sidelines, it's important to sit back a bit. Almost all these reports will end up being coincidence. And with huge amounts of data available in real time, serious problems should be able to be sorted out at high speed.